Have you ever wondered why some people seem to thrive on admiration and attention, almost as if it's the air they breathe? Today we delve into the intriguing world of narcissism, a trait that manifests in several distinct ways. Understanding these can illuminate a lot about human interactions and perhaps even about ourselves. First up, we talk about overt narcissism. Picture someone who walks into a room and instantly demands the spotlight. This is your overt narcissist. They have an inflated sense of their own importance and a deep need for excessive attention and admiration. Their self-esteem is like a balloon, large and fragile, ready to burst at the slightest prick of criticism. Despite their apparent confidence, their self-worth depends heavily on how others view them, often leading them to manipulate situations to their advantage. Transitioning to a less conspicuous form, we encounter covert narcissism. Here, the grandiosity is masked under a veneer of vulnerability. Covert narcissists also crave admiration, but are less blatant about it. They often engage in self-deprecating behavior, paradoxically aiming to be recognized for their humility. They harbor fantasies of being recognized as superior, while outwardly appearing as the underdog. This type of narcissism is particularly insidious because it's harder to spot, often causing significant emotional turmoil for those close to them. Next, we explore communal narcissism. Imagine someone who is always at the forefront of charity drives, not primarily because they care about the cause, but because it elevates their social standing. Communal narcissists want to be seen as the epitome of generosity and kindness. Their altruism is not driven by empathy, but by a desire to be admired as a benefactor. They often seek recognition and praise, sometimes going to great lengths to publicize their good deeds. This need to be seen as a savior can sometimes overshadow the genuine needs of those they purport to help. Lastly, we examine the darkest side of this spectrum, malicious narcissism. These individuals take pleasure in the pain and manipulation of others. Their actions are often deliberate and cruel, aimed at belittling or dominating. Malicious narcissists lack empathy to an extreme degree, seeing others merely as tools to be used. Recognizing and protecting oneself from such individuals is crucial, as their influence can be profoundly damaging. To summarize, narcissism can range from the overtly boastful to the subtly manipulative. It can wear the guise of benevolence or reveal a more sinister face. Recognizing these types can help us navigate our relationships more wisely and perhaps prompt introspection about our own behaviors and motivations. Understanding narcissism isn't just about labeling others, it's about recognizing patterns that affect interpersonal dynamics profoundly. By shedding light on these patterns, we equip ourselves with the knowledge to foster healthier interactions and protect our well-being in a world where self-inflation is often mistaken for self-confidence.